Hello everybody, I'm Zakia Saidullah, General Director of Paradise Academy. Our curriculum is Montessori. Montessori teaching method encourages children to develop strong independence, concentration and order skills. In our preschool, children learn to be self-directed by providing to them a prepared environment. Montessori materials promote positive attitude like self-independence, system of order, and habit of concentration. Our teachers or guides prepare the classroom with 5 modules: practical life, sensorial, math, language, and science. During working time, children learn that everything has a place and a place for everything. We care a lot about creativity and arts, which provide a great opportunity of self-expression, dexterity, promote social development, develop fine and gross motor skills. We invite you to visit us to know more about us, or visit or take a look at the Facebook. We have 3 pages. The first page is for the nursery and its activity. The second page is for positive parents and all the problems and specialists to solve these problems, seminars, workshop, courses, and all about this. So the third page is about